Hello, my name is Rachel McCullough. This is my first monologue for my performance major audition. I will be doing Blanche from Scene 9 of A Streetcar Named Desire. Yes, a big spider. That's where I brought my victims. Yes, I had many intimacies with strangers. After the death of Alan, intimacies with strangers seemed to be all I could fill my empty heart with. I think it was panic, just panic, that drove me from one to another, hunting for some protection in the most unlikely places, even, at last, in a 17-year-old boy. But someone wrote the superintendent about it. This woman is morally unfit for her position. Morally unfit for her position. True. Yes, I suppose. Unfit somehow. Anyway, so I came here. There was nowhere else I could go. I was played out. You know what played out is? My youth had suddenly gone up the water spout. And I met you. You said you needed somebody. Well, I needed somebody too. I thanked God for you. You seemed to be so gentle, a cleft in the rock of the world that I could hide in. But I guess I was asking, hoping, too much. Kefauver, Stanley, and Shaw. I've tied an old tin can to the tail of the kite.